Look at these massive banana palms right at their entrance. Incredible.
I love to wake up in the morning, but keep dreaming without wording. The day is gone. And sometimes I take a walk, but I forget about the clock. I can slow it
Welcome
down.
back to the channel. This video is a little different. I usually don't do reviews on hotels, but this one in Key West is a hidden gem. It is called the West Winds Inn. It is fabulous, and I want to give you a complete tour of this hotel. Don't miss all our videos in Key West, Florida, because we got a lot to show you from DUVAL Street. If you've never been to Key West, get on this train. It's going right up DUVAL Street to the top 15 things to do when you're visiting Key West and the closest beach you can find close to the cruise port if you're coming in on a ship. I love these signs. There we are, Key West, New Orleans, Nassau. It shows you everywhere you can go and how far. And make sure you're checking out our Viator store for our highly rated tours in Key West. You can't go wrong with these tours. A lot of them we have done. And one of the best things about the North Winds Inn, it is close to everything. Within 2 to 3 blocks, you're right downtown DUVAL Street where all the action is. Captain Tony's is hopping. They're trying to get the quarters up in this fish's mouth. That's what you do here. This hotel is clean, service is impeccable, staff is amazing, and management is a complete success. Let's just show you around this fabulous inn, the West Winds. And make sure you're following us on Instagram, AlongForTheJourney. Behind the scenes stuff. And hit that like and subscribe button and click that bell. I wanted to show you around this resort I'm staying at. It is fantastic. Everything's like tucked in. Here's one of their pool areas that is heated. They provide towels for you. Look at the foliage here. Stunning, right? That's just one pool. I go around this way. I think this is where the other pool is. All these are little bungalows that you can rent out. This is the other pool area. Getting set up for the day. Oh yes, and between 8 and 10 every morning, they got a continental breakfast out by the pool area, which is just fantastic. She's getting set up for that. Let's see what they got today. Got cereals, fruit, yogurt, some hard-boiled eggs, and oh man, they got muffins today. What a way to start your morning in Key West. Blueberry muffins. And with a view like this. Here comes the morning wake-up call. He's been hollering all morning. Said, get out of bed. I don't know if he sees me. All right, I don't know if you can see that tree way up there. That big red flowered tree. These are all over this island. They are just beautiful. Somebody told me what it was yesterday, but I can't remember. But they're all over these grounds. One thing that I think is really cool, I was over in this pool yesterday. A big iguana came walking right up and sat at the edge of the pool. I'm not kidding you, he was 3 to 4 foot tall. He was huge. There's my little 1-bedroom bungalow right here. Now, in case you wonder what it looks like, I'm in room 407. Let's just walk in here and show you. You walk in and you have a nice storage area. You got your bed, you got a microwave, full coffee, refrigerator, a closet for some of your clothes. There's plenty of storage. You walk into the bathroom, great shower, and great lighting. Oh, and this is cool. I don't know. This one's got a loft to it. I guess you can get up there and it can be an extra bed. Also, one thing that's nice, it's got the USB ports on the lights. Bonus. Another one of the bungalows. Some of these are bigger than others. Some are 1-bedroom, some are 2-bedroom. There's the towels coming out. Paradise. plenty of different seating areas. Just a unique place to come see and stay. I love this place. I will definitely be back for sure. This is some of the foliage that the west wind's in. This is their other fantastic pool area. Got a little trickle waterfall here. Now we're heading out to the front of this place, which is very scenic. You are downtown, close to everything here at this hotel. And right around the corner is Eaton Bikes. You can rent bikes. It's only like 200 feet. Lots to do right here. Now, the hotel is on Eaton Street, and if you follow that, it's like a 10-minute walk. Takes you right to the DUVAL Street, where all the action is. Make sure you're watching my video of the entire DUVAL Street tour.
My friends are sitting laughing, but I just